Hey guys, before you get into the video, have you even subscribed to my channel? If not, then why you're waiting for? Take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon over there so that you'll be notified as soon as I post my new videos. And let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my channel's name is Queen Chai Style and I am Chaitra. So my today's video is going to be all about a magical drink, apple citric vinegar. So I'm just going to put on few points on it, so I just hope you guys would have been known about it. If not, then continue watching guys. Why you're waiting for? Let's get started. So guys, as I told you, it's a magical drink. So it's not only a drink, it has all over everything in it. So it's just a multi-wala use drink. Okay, so guys, it has everything in it. Like it's going to give you a healthy lifestyle, and also it's just the amazing thing which you have to use it in your daily life. And before we get into the proper magical ingredient, I would like to say you that it's not at all a sponsored video, obviously. So I personally loved it, so that is the reason I am sharing it with you guys. I hope you guys would like it. And guys, let's get started. Okay, so the product what I was talking is like, this is the one, and I hope all of you are consuming this in your daily life. This works the best and everything for me. So I would like to tell you that how to use and what are the uses and proper details about this. I hope I would not miss out anything, and I don't know, I'm not sure that I would miss some or the other thing because it has everything. स्किन, हेयर, हेल्थ और क्या चाहिए एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल के लिए, है ना? So yeah, let's get into the wow apple citric vinegar. Also guys, it improves your digestion system, and moreover it also works on your blood sugar level, improves your sensitivity, helps you lose weight, improves your hair health, anti-aging properties, makes you feel fuller, and guys, it also works on your acne, belly fat, bloating, acidity, heartburning, low blood pressure. Even more, it works on your heart health disease, which is cancer, kills your bacteria, lowers down your calories, also improves your heart, also has antioxidants just in 3 calories per spoon guys. Imagine, just in 3 calories per spoon. कमाल है ना? Okay, so let's get into the proper details of apple citric vinegar. So in this bottle, it's like organic apple citric vinegar. Now even better before with a mother of vinegar, and this is raw guys, and it also has mother of vinegar, which is very much pure enough for your health, skin, hair also. Okay, so as you can see, नीचे ये जो दिख रहा है, it's a raw vinegar. That is the reason आपको ये सब दिखने लग रहा है, and buy only such kind of vinegars to have it, so that's going to work on best. Magnesium, iron and antioxidants are present in this, so that obviously 3 calories with 1 teaspoon is going to work the best. Okay, so as I said you guys that it is going to work on your digestion system, and yes, I do mean it, because your stomach has a lot of acidity. If you have a indigestion मतलब digestion की problem है, so your stomach has more of your oxygen. That is what happens when you cannot digest the food. So if your stomach is filled up with proper gas, I mean, if you put Eno in a water, then you can see the gas forming upside. So that is the empty gas which will be formed inside your stomach. So that is the reason you will not be able to digest the food from your stomach to your intestine. And this does the best work because it does have a lot of benefits in it, as I already mentioned. This is just going to get into your stomach and remove all the extra gas formed over there, and then it's just going to flush it up. So the first and the foremost thing this is going to do in your stomach is like it's going to flush out everything from your body. Like not everything means the bad things, the bad bacteria found inside your body, that flushes up properly over there, and that is how this works. Must use, guys. You have to add it in your meal if you haven't yet. So bloating is also like if your food is sitting inside your stomach and the gas is formed down, so your food will be just bloating over there. It will not be able to digest as soon as possible and get it inside your intestine. So this works it to get out of your stomach to your intestine. I hope you guys are understanding. I'm just making it so awkward, I guess, but I'm so sorry if it is very bad. But guys, this is what is the true fact which I'm trying to give it you out. So I hope you guys would understand. Okay, if you have any kind of question that does this work for my skin and hair, then guys, I would like to ask you a question, like, is there anything that apple citric vinegar cannot do? Huh? Because it does have a remedies for each and everything. Like whatever problem you have, maybe your hair, skin or health or whatever problem you have, it does cure it very nicely. It's like your hair, each and everything has a different way of using. I obviously cannot complete it in one video. If you would require me, I will obviously take a different part of your hair and your skin for a maybe different video. But this is totally all over about vinegar, matlab apple citric vinegar. So I will be only talking about vinegar's benefits. No, I will not be able to complete a hair, how to use on hair, how to use on skin and how to use on your body. Obviously वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगी जो कि कोई भी नहीं देखेंगे. So yeah, okay. So behind this, it's been written that take 1 teaspoon of apple citric vinegar with 1 of lukewarm water. Sip 20 minutes before meal of empty stomach. Non-diabetics may add 1 teaspoon natural honey. Okay, so this even says that you can use honey, but I guess even if the honey is organic, that would be better for you to use, because if you obviously have honey with this, then आपका वजन तो घटेगा नहीं. Okay, so this bottle has been received in a box container, just the same. I have been thrown it, and this happens with me always. I don't know why, but I don't keep boxes. Okay, so इसके साथ ये भी है, so that you guys can do the measurement of water and this one, but I don't require because I am a pro. Okay guys, because I don't use this. मैं स्पून पे लेती हूँ या फिर ऐसे ही ले लेती हूँ. And guys, people who are going to use it, okay, I will be telling you how to use and what is the uses and all those things, but that's okay. But people who are going to use this for the first time, I would recommend you to use it by starting first time. If you're like 15-20, maybe a month or something, if you're using it, take 1 teaspoon a day only. I would never recommend you to use it more also. Sorry, I would not recommend you to use it more too. So 1 teaspoon will be working for you. If not, फिर 15 दिन में आपको पता चली जाएगी that you're not able to get any kind of a difference from 15 days. So you can use 2 spoons of it. So yeah. Okay, so first of all, if you're using any kind of apple citric vinegar, do not forget to use an unfiltered raw apple citric vinegar. If you buy a filtered wala, I don't think that's going to work. Not even a % वो काम करेगी, क्योंकि obviously the taste will also will be different. Maybe उसमें कुछ अलग ही चीज़ use कर देते थे. They'll be using some or the other things in that maybe, because this does not taste well guys, but still it does work a lot. People who has problem with taste issues, they can use as I said you honey use कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि organic honey. You can mix it with water and then have it. So as I told you, this is going to work on your digestion system as well as your sugar, blood pressure and heartburns, bloating. It reduces everything from your whatever body problems you have. And moreover guys, this is going to flush out each and every bacteria cells on your from your body, which is obviously not seen from the upper body. So जो भी चीज़ें होते हैं वो अंदर ही होता है ना. If you have a blood pressure, then obviously it is going to work the best. अगर आपको सांस लेने में तकलीफ हो रही है तब भी आपको अच्छा काम करेगा. So the only thing that you have to do is like have to take 1 glass of water, add 1 teaspoon of apple citric vinegar and just drink this before you have your breakfast. That मतलब empty stomach. As soon as you wake up, walk to your kitchen, मतलब brush कर लो, जो भी करना कर लो. उसके बाद go to your kitchen, mix 1 glass of water with 1 teaspoon of एप्पल सिट्रिक विनेगर. अगर आपको टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मतलब स्टार्टिंग में अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, तो फिर आप यूज़ कर सकते हो हनी, जो कि ऑर्गेनिक में ही हो. इवन ऑर्गेनिक हनी डज नॉट टेस्ट दैट गुड, आई गेस. आई एम नॉट श्योर बिकॉज आई डोंट यूज़ एनी काइंड ऑफ हनी विथ दिस. हाँ, हैव इट slowly like you're having a tea. Yes, do not stand and have. Sit nicely, comfortably and have it with a sip. Maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, take your own time and then complete the glass. Sit for 2 seconds, relax your body and then go to your routine. But do not be in hurry to खड़े होके पूरा पानी पी के जाना. नहीं, that is the wrong way and that's not going to do anything, because so when you have a water of glass, it's just going to go to your loo. Yes, it's just going to go straightly. अगर आप बैठ के पिएंगे तब आपके पेट में खड़े रहेगा थोड़ी देर के लिए, तब वो एक से एक काम करते आएगा. So take your own time, sit for some time, have it, 2 मिनट रिलैक्स करो, उसके बाद start up your daily routine. Okay, so people who thinks that does it work for your skin and hair, then obviously yes. I would also give some few points. Just points दे देती हूँ आपको. It treats your acne, guys. The first ever thing what I want to say is like people did struggle a lot in acne, so I am so thankful that मुझे कोई acne का problem नहीं है. Yeah, so it treats good on your acne. It also treats on your sunburn. It has anti-aging properties, improves your hair health. Also it helps out with your frizziness, जो कि बाल का जो frizziness होती है नीचे, वो भी help करती है. कैसा क्या मैं आपको जैसा बताई थी, I'll tell you in my next maybe video if you would require me to do a video on. And also this is the best thing for your dandruff too, guys. This does the best work on your dandruff. I am obsessed with this product, I mean the drink. So as I told you guys, it does work the best on your skin health and your hair. So this is what I wanted to say you again and again, because yes, it does. Also guys, do remember one most important thing, that if you are using this apple citric vinegar, do not use it without diluting it with any sort of water. Do not use it directly, guys. This is the important and the main thing. Yes, you are not supposed to use it directly. You can dilute this with the water and then have it. Okay, so people who wanted to use it like proper meal or something, then you can also add this juice, like 1 teaspoon on your, I'm sorry for the noise, 1 teaspoon of apple citric vinegar into your juice. Yes, of course, if you're making any fruit juice at your home, you can also add 1 teaspoon of apple citric vinegar into your juice and have it. Otherwise, you can also use it on your salad dressing. Yes, cut the salads and just pour it on it and then have it. You're just peace out, done with it. Okay, so people who have a question like, for a day how much can I use, for them I would like to say that 15 to 30 ml you have to use per day. That is obviously 1 or 2 spoons per day. Never more than that, क्योंकि कोई भी अच्छा चीज आपके लिए बुरा भी हो सकता है ज्यादा पिएंगे तो. So guys, I hope you guys would like this video, and do let me know in the comment section that was this video helpful to you, and yes, then do share it with your friends too. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button out there, and also the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as I post my new videos. And also guys, if you haven't checked my Instagram and Facebook ID, also TikTok if you are into TikTok, if you haven't checked out, then take a moment and just go and check out, guys. I just hope I completed everything talking about this bottle, and I take this from past 2 to 3 years into my lifestyle, and this works the best, guys. I just love this. So there is nothing that this cannot do. अगर आपके अंदर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आपको शायद पता भी नहीं चला होगा, बट इफ़ यू हैव दिस अपने आप से ठीक हो ही जाता है. इमेजिन गाइस, कैंसर को ठीक कर सकता है तो फिर हार्ट बर्न एंड ब्लोटिंग, गैस्ट्रिक, डाइजेशन, ये सब कुछ भी नहीं है इसके सामने. सो आज के लिए ज़्यादा बात हो चुकी है. आई गेस, आई एम नॉट श्योर, एडिटिंग के वक्त शायद सब कुछ चॉप हो जाएगी. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and yes, then as I told you, please share it with your friends too, so that it will be benefit to them also. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next best video. Till then, stay tuned and stay blessed.